Hello everyone! Today we're going to embroider. It's a fun and easy way to embellish your clothing. You'll need embroidery thread, whatever material you'd like to embroider. I'll be using a pair of jeans, a needle, and a pencil. I'm going to embroider flowers onto the pocket of my jeans. You don't have to do this, but I'm first going to mark out circles so I can map out where and how big I want the flowers to be. I'm going to start on this circle here. As you can see, I also marked out where I want each petal of the flower to go. After threading your needle, be sure to tie a knot on the end to stop all your thread from coming out while you embroider. To start, I'm going to pull the needle and thread up all the way through the center of the circle. Then go back down, placing the needle close to where I started. And pulling the thread through just enough to create a small loop. Following the guideline that I made, I'm going to come back up through the fabric and through the loop I just created to make a thin petal. Next, I'm going to secure that petal by threading the needle back down right next to the top of it. Repeat this process, continually going around the circle to complete the flower. When you finish, tie it off with the knot on the back side of the fabric and then cut off the excess thread. Now I'm going to start on the center of the flower by creating French knots. To do this, I'm going to pull the needle and thread all the way through the center of the flower. Then I'm wrapping the thread around the needle twice and carefully pushing the needle back through. You can repeat this process as many times as you want until you're satisfied with the center of the flower. And here's my completed pocket embroidery. Have a nice day and have fun creating!